राह दिखाए वो मुश्किल में ज्ञान की ज्योत जलाते हैं, सही गलत की दे पहचान, जीना हमको सिखाते हैं।
And he is a philosopher, he is a scholar, and he is the second president of India also. Teachers Day is the day when we appreciate and honor the contributions of teachers in the society. A teacher is a role model and an inspiration to go further and to dream bigger. Now I request our principal madam, who has been a pillar of support and wisdom for both students and teachers, to deliver a speech.
My pleasantly express few words about our teachers. First of all, I thank God for giving us such a wonderful faculty. First of all, I would like to say about Indian sir. I thank you sir for your dedication and hard work and the way you are seeing the children. Thank you. And Sherin ma'am, every teacher is having more talent than doing. Thank you ma'am for encouraging us and for helping us in every activity we are doing. Anusha madam, thank you madam for your support to the school. Actually she is always what I observed is she is ready to listen. Whatever we are saying, she is taking that in a positive way and she is correcting and she is taking in a positive way and she is doing hard work to better the children. Thank you. Thank you Anjali ma'am for your support to the school. You are always encouraging and you will see the positive way of the student and positive way of the management. We are lucky to have you as a experienced teacher here. Thank you. I thank Swati madam. Thank you madam for your encouraging way and for your enthusiasm for it. I thank Shanya madam. మేడం తెలుగులో మీరు చేసిన కృషికి చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్తున్నాము. ప్రతి పిల్లల మీద శ్రద్ధ తీసుకొని బాగా నేర్చుకున్నారు, అందుని బట్టి మీకు ధన్యవాదాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ లక్ష్మీ ప్రియా మ్యామ్, యు ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ సో మెనీ టాలెంట్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ యువర్ support in all the meetings as a coordinator also you are supporting us. Thank you. And thank you Roja Rani madam. Thank you for your support to the school. What I observed in you is you are very caring and lovely to your small children. Thank you madam. Manju madam, thank you. Thank you for your support to the school. You are also always you keep learning. Thank you. Learn more and be useful to the school. Thank you Subhashni madam. She is from the day one she is with us. She is always with us and she is more hard worker and she is always correcting herself and she is useful to the school and whatever the step we are taking she is always with us only. Thank you very much. And I thank IMS also. With their help only we are doing all these things. Rangamma and Sunita Ayamma and Shravani and we thank our driver also. Thank you very much. With the help of all of you only we are doing this work and we are something we are giving to the children. Thank you very much.
Behind every successful person, a teacher contribution is notable. So you should respect your teachers. What is the best gift you give to us? Study, very good. Not chocolates, biscuits, keychains, everything is not satisfied us. When you listen what I am saying, when you learning day to day and you study well, that is satisfied to us.
Teachers make our future bright. Thank you teachers for everything. They are happy teachers day for all my teachers. Thank you. Everyone, respect principals, madam and all teachers. My name is Radha. I am studying second grade. Today is 5th September and we are celebrating Teachers Day.
నారుమడిలో విద్య అనే విత్తనం వేసి, అక్షరం అనే నీరు పోసి, చెడు అనే కలుపు తీసి, మంచి నీతిని అనే ఫలాన్ని సమాజానికి అందించేవారే ఉపాధ్యాయులు. గురువు అంటే అర్థం గు అంటే చీకటి, రు అంటే తీసివేసేదని అర్థం. అంటే అజ్ఞానం అనే చీకటిని తీసివేసేవారే గురువు అని అర్థం. గురువులు విద్యార్థులకు ఎంతో ఉపయోగకరంగా ఉంటారు. గురువులను ఈరోజు విద్యార్థులు ప్రతి సెప్టెంబర్ 5వ తేదీన విద్యార్థులందరూ సత్కరిస్తారు. Study well, listen the concepts, okay na? Then I want to express my gratitude to my teachers. Thank you.
Teachers' Day is the anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great teacher and second president of India. Teachers teach good manners and make our future bright. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Respect principal sir, madam and all teachers. My name is Sarya. We teachers this morning. భారతదేశంలో సర్వేపల్లి రాధాకృష్ణన్ పుట్టినరోజు సందర్భంగా సెప్టెంబర్ 5వ తేదీన ఉపాధ్యాయుల దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటాం. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ ముందుగా ఉపాధ్యాయుల దినోత్సవం శుభాకాంక్షలు. మాతృదేవ భవ, పితృదేవ భవ, ఆచార్య దేవ భవ అన్నారు పెద్దలు. తల్లిదండ్రుల తర్వాత స్థానం గురువుదే అని స్పష్టం చేశారు. బాల్యం అనేది చీకటికి తలిపేసి కాబట్టి గురువు అన్నారు. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September of every year. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the great president and excellent teacher. Teachers give us knowledge and help us to achieve our dreams. Thank you for helping us to be a better person. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. Respect principal sir and madam, teachers and my dear friends. Today is a special day. I feel happy to share my wishes about teachers and their role in society. In our school, principal sir, madam, teachers are teaching many values. Lavanya ma'am. Now I would like to end my speech by thanking all our dear teachers once again. Offering a hand and opening our minds and touching our hearts. Thank you. మనము ప్రతి సంవత్సరం సెప్టెంబర్ 5న ఉపాధ్యాయుల దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటాము. ఈ రోజు మన దేశ మాజీ రాష్ట్రపతి డాక్టర్ సర్వేపల్లి రాధాకృష్ణన్ గారి జయంతి సందర్భంగా జరుపుకుంటాము. భారతదేశంలో గురువులను దేవుడితో సమానంగా చూస్తారు. బడి దేవాలయం వంటిది. అందులో చదువు చెప్పే ఉపాధ్యాయులే దేవుళ్ళు అంటారు. మన విజయానికి తల్లిదండ్రులు ఎంత కృషి చేస్తారో అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ గురువులు చేస్తారు. ఉపాధ్యాయుని మనల్ని సరైన మార్గంలో నడిపిస్తారు.
ओ गुरु बिना है ज्ञान का, लोग यही बतलाते हैं। सींचा हो खुद माली ने, वो फूल कहाँ मुरझाते हैं। दे जीवन को आकार गुरु, कर सपनों को साकार गुरु। धूल गुरु के चरणों की ये सुरभित चंदन।
They are obeying much, so we are very thankful God giving us such teachers. You all are very good, only God only given us. We are thanking God giving you.
ओ गुरु बिना है ज्ञान का, लोग यही बतलाते हैं। सींचा हो खुद माली ने, वो फूल कहाँ मुरझाते हैं।